Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with a bob haircut. Now it looks like she's going to be doing a cut refresh here. Oh, wow. So the stylist ended up giving her a really trendy pixie bob style. This is cute. The hair is longer in the front. Swoop bang to frame out the face. Very cute hairstyle. So next up, we have someone getting a bob haircut. Now it looks like this bob ends just below the jawline. Gorgeous. I love the simplicity of this bob. So chic and fun. And then we move into a long to short transformation. So it looks like she might also be getting a bob here. Wow, that is a lot of hair. And she ends up getting a nice old money style bob. This is trending very heavily on TikTok. Wow, that is a lot of hair as well. Look at all of that hair. The stylist adds in some bangs to frame out the face. Oh, wow. Very cute bob makeover with the bangs. Look how much volume this has. So gorgeous.